So, one fragrance for life. It's gonna be crazy. I got a lot of fragrances in my collection, but here we go. It's been a tough one, man. There's Dior Sauvage, there's Bleu de Chanel. The list can go on and on. There's a lot of different fragrances on my list, but I only can keep one fragrance. It's tough. And this fragrance I worn it a lot. I talked about it in my videos a lot. It's a 2018 release. I'm gonna break down some of the notes in it. Maybe you guys will figure out what it is before I reveal the bottle to you guys. Oh man, patchouli, sea notes, labdanum, lavender, tonka bean, clear bottle, woody cap. Well, if you don't get it by now, I'm going to show it to you. It's from the house of Giorgio Armani, and it is no other than Acqua di Gio Absolute. Acqua di Gio Absolute. This fragrance is just does wonders for me. It's just a burst of fruity fragrance. It can be a teenager type of vibe fragrance. I get that, like a younger version, but an older person can wear this too. I'm only 33, so I'm not that old. I hope not. Cross my fingers. But I enjoy this fragrance a lot. I've worn it so much of it. I didn't think I would like it at first. I sprayed it at the store when I got it, and I did like it. But then after like a week or so, it gravitated on me. Like it took me by storm. I was like, I gotta wear this all the time, and I wear as much as I can. I can say about 80% of the time I wear this fragrance, I get either a compliment or somebody asks me, what am I wearing? Or I smell very good. That's pretty good. Now, I've heard people say that this is generic. Okay. Heard it's nothing new. Okay. But the people around me just like this smell, and they said they haven't smelled it before, and it's pretty cool to hear that from a fragrance. And I have lots of fragrances. We can go down the line from Dior Sauvage, Bleu de Chanel. We can go into Dolce & Gabbana the one, Chanel, L'Homme Sport, Eau Extreme. We can go down and list a bunch of different fragrances, but this one here seems to stand out a little bit when I go out to places people never smelled that before. And yes, they make great fragrances. Acqua di Gio Profumo, that's another great fragrance, but it's been worn and worn. This hasn't been worn too much yet. I haven't smelled this one here. It's a 2018 release of Acqua di Gio Absolute, and I enjoy it. The woody cap is pretty cool up top. The distribution is good. You can't beat it. I'm gonna make it my scent of the day. So, what I get from this fragrance is projection wise, I get about 2 hours. Very strong projection, and I enjoy the projection on this fragrance here. And people do get whiffs of it, knows it. It does leave a nice scent trail behind me too, so it is really nice. I didn't think it would, but then people tend to smell it once I walk by them and then walk back again. They tend to smell the fragrances. It's pretty good. Let's talk about longevity wise. Longevity wise is weird. I get between 6 and 7 hours, but there's been times where I worked a whole 8-hour shift at work, and people tend to smell it after the 8.5 hour mark. Maybe it's just my nose olfactory fatigue, but whatever. It's just amazing how people can still smell it after that. And that's great. I can't smell it anymore, but they can, which is another plus. I can't see anything wrong with this fragrance. I know people can't say it's generic. If that's what you want to call this type of fragrance, then okay, maybe it's generic, and maybe you don't want to buy it. I understand that. This works wonders for me. I enjoy the fragrance. I'm going to say it again, like I said before, I should have bought a bigger bottle, but I didn't. But I enjoy this fragrance. You can wear this fragrance dressed up, dressed down. You can wear it all season long. You can wear it whenever you feel like wearing it. You can wear it, just wake up, take a shower. You can wear it around the house if you want, or wear it when you go out. It's just a nice, pleasing scent that it's fruity. It's a attention grabber. You can't go wrong with Acqua di Gio Absolute. You can pick it up at Sephora, Macy's, Nordstrom. They all have it. You can get a small bottle, 1.7 is about that big, at Sephora for about $72. This one here is a 2.5. This is about $95. And you can get a 4.2 bottle. It's about $130. So there's 3 different sizes. If you're very scared about buying it, blind buying it, go to Sephora, Macy's, Nordstrom, and try it out. If you really want to try it, get a sample at Sephora. They carry this sample wise for this. It's amazing. I really believe you'll enjoy this fragrance. I believe you should get compliments with this fragrance. These are just my recommendations. I'm not saying that it will work on you. You might have bad performance with your skin chemistry. It might not give you great longevity. But for me, it does wonders. And I enjoy the fragrance a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, hit the like button. Please consider subscribing by clicking the red subscribe button. Click the bell icon, notify with free giveaways and much more. So before I leave, I would like to give a special thank you to all my subscribers. And next Saturday, August the 4th, I will be, how can I put this? I'm going to give away one of my fragrances. And one fragrance is Dior Homme Sport 2017. I may not get my subscriber count that I want, but you know what? For the subscribers that I have, I really appreciate it a lot. And for new subscribers, you want to subscribe to the channel, you can subscribe to be entering these contests too. I'm going to put all your names in either a hat or a bowl, and I'm going to have my girlfriend pick the name out, one name, and it's going to be fair. I'm not going to pick it myself because I don't want to say that I'm cheating the system or anything like that. Or I'm going to have her pick it out the bowl, you know, and whoever wins, I'm very happy if you win. And congratulations if you do win. Next Saturday, August 4th, I will be let my girlfriend pick the name. So hopefully you win. And if you do win, I will contact you through your YouTube account. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Peace.